Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable video autoplay on your Instagram app. If you're tired of videos automatically playing and want to save data, stick around as I walk you through the process step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now in the top right, you'll see the 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you'll want to look for the data usage settings. If you're having trouble finding it, you can simply use the search bar at the top and type in data or usage. This will help you locate the settings much faster. If that doesn't work, don't worry. Just scroll down through the settings until you find an option called Media Quality. Once you're in the Media Quality section, you'll see an option that says Use Less Cellular Data. Go ahead and enable this setting. When you turn this on, Instagram will automatically stop videos from auto-playing in your feed as it reduces data usage. So, by enabling this feature, you can make sure Instagram doesn't use up your data by playing videos automatically. And that's it. You've successfully disabled video autoplay on Instagram. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.